Here we are with Bill Moss in the warehouse. Bill is going to put a decal on the West Coast Taco van. The first thing Bill is going to do is
prep the surface.
How do you do that?
You're using isopropyl alcohol and a water mix. Wipe it down and then dry rag that off. Ensures that your surface is dry of moisture and clean.
Okay, the second step.
We are going to measure the decal and make sure it is in the proper position before we mark it and apply it. Which we are straight. Now I'm going to mark where the decal is going to go back. Give myself some target marks. Now that we've got it marked, we'll remove the backing of the decal and apply it. Leaving one side tagged so it doesn't move on us. Hit the target marks. Now we'll apply it.
What are you using, Bill?
This would be a 3M squeegee, gold series. I'd like to start in the middle of the decal and work your application towards both sides. That way you don't end up with a bind in the middle. As you apply it, you remove the pre-mask. While removing the pre-mask, you want to keep it at 180 degrees from the surface. That way you don't take a chance of lifting an edge. You don't want to pull too fast either. And voila. After that, wipe off your marks and call it a day.
Wow, thank you, Bill. West Coast Tacos.
Best damn taco in town.
Can you say damn on here?